My name is Ashley McKeon, and this is my information-rich website. For this project, we were supposed to recreate Adams County, Iowa's county website. We were supposed to have a landing page, a page for driver's licenses and test times and things like that, and a page where you could find the voting precincts and their times and information. Then the last page that we had was an about page that had the history of the county. So this is my landing page. This is my home page that I created. So if you go up to the top, it has all the information, services, departments, and about, as well as a search bar. When you scroll down, you see that they also have these main ones down here that you can click. So if we click on information, it'll bring you to this page. This is the information page, and here it shows all the information, all the main information. So we're going to go to election, and when we go to election, it shows, this is the voting page. So it shows all the precincts, it shows their new precincts and their new sections, and it shows the old ones just in case anybody is still confused about that. If you go up to services, you can find the driver's license page, and this shows the location of the DMV, the hours, and their contact info, as well as a map just in case you need a map to get there. If you go to the departments page, it will show the departments, and then the about page shows the history of their county. It's not a huge history because they don't have a lot on it, but it does have some pictures at the bottom that you can scroll through to see some of the old photos that were taken. And if we come back to here, this is Adams County. It brings you back to the landing page. At the bottom, you have the phone number and the email, as well as their social media. Yeah, thanks.